good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Godfrey Ridiako, popularly known as Kwame Graphics in the online space. In this journey, I come to help you out to designs. Listen, this is very beautiful. So, and the app that you can use is Pencil App, right? And this morning, you can use your phone to design. You don't need to buy an expensive laptop or all you need is just your Android phone. Then you go. So let's get started. So let me open my Pencil App. You can get this on Play Store. Alright, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on tab. So let me delete it and let's set scratch. Alright, so let me tap on default. Tap on delete and delete it. Alright, so let me click on here. You click here. Before you start, let me see the background is it's not nice. So let me design the background. So you type here. You type this place. You tap on color. Alright, you tap on gradient. Okay. So let's choose this color. Okay. This is how I got this color. Let me go back. You type here. You tap on this place. Tap on. Okay. Just navigate. Alright. Then type here also. Then you get this color. Alright. Yes. Use this to navigate. Alright. Yes. You can change the arrow. Alright. You can change this. You can type here. Change this. This one. This one. This one. This one. So this is the first one. So you can take so let's tap on OK. Right. Tap on check mark. Then let's bring the celebrity. Okay. Let's tap on it from gallery. Alright. Tap on this one. I have removed the background already. So if you haven't checked out the background, after this video, go and watch it before you come here. Okay. Okay. Just increase the picture. Bring it down. Alright. Then go tap on the middle. Scroll to see relative position. Tap on it. Tap on middle. Tap on OK. Then let's go and change the color. Okay. Just sorry. Okay, I want the picture to be this. Okay. Let's make it look more beautiful. So let's tap on stroke. Tap on it, make it white. Two is okay. Let's tap on shadow. Go tap on shadow. Shadow, make it white. Alright. Everything is beautiful. Just tap on this place. Tap on this place. Tap on this place. Alright. Yeah. Let's tap on it. Yeah, let's lock it so that let's tap on the key. Let's tap on here. This place. Okay. Lock it so that it will not move. Right. So let's tap on the test. Test this one. See. Let's tap on it. Tap on test. And double tap. 1, 2. Alright. Let's delete it. Alright. Graphic. Tap on it. Tap on it. Tap here. The graphic design. Okay, then tap on the T to make it all caps. Okay, sorry. Let's go back again. Graphic designer. Okay, so you can use your hand to just increase the size, right? Bring it down. You can see the images on top. Let's go back and bring it down. Tap on it. Tap on the middle. Let's go to position. Let's increase the speed. Let's tap on the down button. Okay. I think this is okay. Right. So let's change the font. Let's go. Let's tap on the A. Let's scroll and see fonts. Okay, font. Tap on the font. Okay. It's the default font. So all of you have it. So tap on. You use this font. Mimi font. Tap on it. Tap on okay. All right. You see the line between the graphics and the designer is very large. But before that, let me add S to this. Okay. So so let's scroll line spacing. Just reduce it. Okay. Let's take for I think 17 is okay. All right. Let's increase it a little bit. Let's go to the position, relative position, then tap on. Okay. All right. So let's introduce a shape. So let's add little thing for it to make more beautiful. Let's go look for stroke. Tap on stroke. Okay. Can give it a white color. White is no. I think black is okay. Can increase the for. Then you can go to shadow. Tap on it. Right. Do the blur radius. Alright, increase the offset to offset white to tap on OK. Alright, have you seen how beautiful the thing is becoming? Alright, you can lock it. You can lock it so that you know this. Let's tap here. Let's tap on the shape. Okay. Let's use our hand to reduce the size. Let's bring it on top. Let's increase the radius 5. Alright. Then let's reduce it. Make sure what is in line. Okay. So let's increase the size of this. So okay. I think this is okay. Let's lock it. Then let's okay. Think okay. Make sure to increase it from here. Let's go native size. Tap on it. Okay. Then this is okay. Let's bring it up. Let's tap on okay. Tap on okay. Make sure they are in line, right? Okay, so let's lock the shape. Let's tap on the test. Let's bring it here. Let's write high competent design. Okay. Right. See the shape is white and the text is also white. So let's change the text to black. Okay. I think black is okay. Let's change the font. Let's change the font. Font you use Amaranth Blue. I think Amaranth Blue is okay. Let's reduce the size. Okay, let's reduce it. Sure this fits. Okay, let's reduce it more and more. 30 is okay. I think 30 is okay. Let's add more thing to the shape. Let's tap on the shape. And let's go to shadow. Stroke first. Okay, can give it a black color. I think stroke 2 is okay. Let's go to shadow. Okay. Offset 2, 3. Read a bit radius. Okay. So it is okay. So let's tap on the text. Double tap it. Okay. Then let's tap on the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Then tap on OK. Let's reduce the space. Let's scroll. Go and see line spacing. show line spacing. There's line spacing. Okay, so tap on it, reduce it. Okay, it mouse. Okay, then bring it down. Use your hand to bring it down here. Right. And do the size so. Okay, so we can copy it. Let's come to the middle. Let's come to the middle. So let's come here. Okay, let's tap on it and tap on copy and bring it here. Right. So to make the thing more beautiful, let's add this. Please pay attention, okay? We're almost done. Let's tap on the test again. Double tap on it. Are you with me? Tap on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is okay. Tap on OK. Let's reduce the line spacing by going to here. There's a line spacing. I think line spacing. This is okay. So this is cool. Right. We see how beautiful it is. Let's because you are now beginning the smartphone journey. Just let me put your number there. Don't put my number, okay? I'll put my number there so in case anybody need me, that person will just look at my flyer, then call me. So let me copy the designer. Let me copy it. Then double tap on it. Then write my number. So that's 233 544 267197. Okay. Let's stop on. Let's reduce the size. That is too big. Do the size to 50. 50 will be okay. I think yeah. 50 will not be bad. So on the waiting position. Let's see. Send it. Let's think the space in between this is too small, too big. So let's reduce the space. Right. Okay. I hope you get well in this simple flyer design. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and comment if you gain a value on it. Let me see if you have any question. Let's drop it in the comment section. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.